While an occasional flicker isn't usually cause for concern, frequent or persistent flickering can point to an underlying electrical issue. Here are some common culprits and what to do about them. Loose bulbs. The simplest explanation, a loose bulb. If it's not screwed in all the way, it can disrupt the connection. To fix this, turn off the light, tighten the bulb, and turn it back on. Still flickering? Try replacing the bulb. Faulty light switches. Sometimes the problem is the switch and not the bulb. A worn out or poorly connected switch can cause flickering. To fix this, gently wiggle the switch. If the light flickers more, it's likely time for a replacement. A quick job for a licensed electrician. Voltage fluctuations. Noticing flickering along with dimming or surging from other appliances? You could be experiencing voltage swings, especially if large appliances are drawing too much power. To fix this, have an electrician assess your home's electrical capacity. A dedicated circuit might be needed for high-demand appliances. Overloaded circuits. Too many devices on one circuit can overload it and cause lights to flicker. To fix this, unplug some devices and see if it helps. If not, an electrician can add circuits or upgrade your wiring. Loose wiring. This one's serious. Loose or damaged wires can lead to arcing, a major fire risk. The fix? Don't DIY this one. Call an electrician immediately if you suspect wiring issues. Power grid problems. Sometimes the flicker is outside your home, caused by grid issues or utility work. To fix this, check with your utility company for updates. If it's not on their end, we can take a closer look. When to call an electrician. Not all flickering lights are dangerous, but some are. If you're unsure, play it safe and call a pro. At Affordable Comfort, our licensed electricians are ready to help and keep your home safe and well lit. Keep problems from sparking. Ask about our electrical inspections to prevent issues before they begin. Flickering lights? Let us fix that, because at Affordable Comfort, we make home comfort easy, one light bulb at a time.